Okay, this is a Sears Kenmore model 16641 Serger that was completely frozen up. It had a couple of things wrong with it. Number one, it had never been oiled. Number two, somebody had messed with the loopers, and the front looper was leaning way out here, and so it would hang up on the lower looper. Yeah, the upper looper was leaning way out this way. And the hand wheel, basically, this was frozen, and several of the other places were probably frozen as well, but I cleaned all of them and got them. I got everything else moving first. My husband was able to get the hand wheel off, so he was able to get this one moving, and now we have it all nice and smoothly operating the way it should. And if you look here at the, notice how the upper looper now goes in front so that the needles can come down through the thread, put it down, and the back lower looper comes behind the back of the eyes of the needle and catches the thread. Of course, we can't put thread on it until we get it all put back together because I have got the outside off of it at the moment. But I just wanted to make sure everything is oiled well. Notice the wicks now have enough oil in them to lubricate this part. And everything's been lubricated down in here. But I wanted to show how these parts move. See, notice the little balls down at the bottom there that are attached to that upper bar. That's what operates, as that pivots, it operates your upper and lower loopers. Cool stuff, huh? Let's see how nice and smooth that's working with just me turning it with my fingers. Don't have a hand wheel on it to turn it. That's the reason it pauses ever so often. But anyway, so we're going to get this put back together all nice and slippery. And then I'll be able to thread it up and test it.